Ola bafowethu saphokozani sanamukela namhlanje futhi ngelanga le-12 episode lesibili yethu entsha ke lana ku-local talk show yethu i-reality talk show. Leya namhlanje yona ithi Church vs Ancestors. But before bafowethu asike sicalene kahle ke ngisicala ngesintu ke bafowethu asike sibuliseni abantu emakhaya bafowethu singangeni nje.
Hello South Africa, it's a power PUWA. Vele ngisho ngithi hello.
Away, good people, you know it's your boy GWE Tail, Mr. Power, understand? Away
bahlali longo show Spice ushoka snacks. Ngithi nani ngicela ukuthi ni comment lapho ni powder ngale topic esoyiphatha namuhla. Church vs Ancestors. Sisazokhuluma sizwe la ukuthi nisiphalwa sithini nathi simajita la sisazoyiphawula.
And welcome to #aslaleni ngiringa.
Away. Akere le bakwela gape ba boletse ba gona mo ke ba ditele rena mo ke studio a re ke re ba mamele re ke re boledišaneng ka taba ya kereke le ba fase ke gopela go re bege so ga gona go ra discriminate ge o bolela ska discriminate ge o bolela ka kereke bolela ka kereke ge o bolela ka malosi bolela ka malosi ka gona go rakwa gala obane a re nyake gore go be le di goragorano ka gare a ka gona rakwa gala jwale a re tseneng tabeng le bafowethu mona re kwane gore tabe re ya tlhatlha jwang
#Bodloza.
#Bodloza. Asubodloza re dutile no tla thoma ke le Bodloza thoma Bodloza re kona rena re ka tabe re ka tabe ku ya dikereke le mahlozi yena o re
Bodloza manje ngathini ngoNkulunkulu ngesindebele uzimu sangijwayele ukubisa ngesindebele ungathini ngozimu
asikweli
kahle sibuze kahle ukuthi kahle nase vele ukukhulunywa ngoNkulunkulu ukukhuluma ngubani
mina okay bafethu can I answer the question but according to my opinion like a simple vele ngowa but ngizofuna yeah according to my opinion
nayo akere ngapela Giatseni Satana, akere la babona ke re babogeng giatseni
but anyway it's fine. No, according to my opinion, so like if I made a mistake, according to my opinion, like uNkulunkulu man, nasikhuluma ngozimo sikhuluma ngolokhanzi. Sikhuluma ngespirit, understand? Like yeah, ngazi the spirit.
Mina enongayitsho ukuthi mhlambe nasikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu, sikhuluma ngomdali. Odale mhlambe amadlozi, odale nomhlaba. Odale nazo zonke izinto ezingaphakathi. Sazokhonza ngathini?
Now, you know what I can say is like when we are talking about God, we are talking about the Father of Jesus. The Father who made Jesus. I think he made Jesus, right?
Yeah.
That's what I know.
Washona bashoko bathi uJesu indodana kaNkulunkulu but sizoyiphatha lemnento ngiconfuse abo Jesu ngalapho.
Kancane babukeli nami ndoda manje evuka umoya yakhala lana mina yazukhala bavukana la umoya songena ngoba uNkulunkulu songena nama yazi marvele yazi ukutokusomela kube mnandi uthike sihlele ayidani yazi amela kahlale sisirasa mara sike singelele ndabeni ke siyashoke mina nami ngokuya ngami uNkulunkulu mina ngimazi kubaba ka mfowethu Jesu Kristu and then uNkulunkulu ngibona ngezenzo ngazi mangabe angibeke kahle nani balaleli emakhaya ningakhomenta ningasho nani nisho nisitshele kahle ukuthi sikhuluma iqiniso or sikhuluma mangana ngoba uNkulunkulu kanjalo na but and then amadlozi amadlozi abantu besiphila nabo basiye emhlabeni basibhekile namanje ngoba wangisho kanje umuntu makahambile emhlabeni siya ethuneni lakhe siyoclean sithelini lefila pha siguqe sikhulume naye sifuna inhlanhla sikhuluma nabo sifuna ini sikhuluma nabo bakhona bayaphila mina uthikini ngihambelana nazo zombili ayikho le mina ngithi ayisebenzi lena yasebenza zonke zombili ziyasebenza ngoba kunenyanga ezithi before izokusebenza itshelo ibamba iBhayibheli ithandaze ukubambisa iBhayibheli uyibambe kanje ngenzi ijiki ubambe iBhayibheli athandaza athi vula uvule uthi la ubambe khona aku-explainele before bese khana shaya amathala zikhona inyanga enjalo so kona mina ngithi ngokuya kami ziyahambelana ngoba isonto likhona eBhayibhelini
you're together basebenzisana
amadlozi akhona eBhayibhelini
ngiyavuma Jesus
amadlozi akhona eBhayibhelini
ngiyavuma
abantu bakhona abantu abazi iBhayibheli sizoba invite like ngisasho ngithi sizoba invite ku second episode yayo then ayikuthi sizophelela la sizoqhubeka izoba ne second episode ngoba this is an interesting topic whereby simele silayithisane sonke sibonisane ngiyangithola sifundisane ngoba akunakuthi ufunda mase esikolweni kuphela uyafunda
le amadlozi I didn't hear you so well ukuthi abodlozi masikhuluma ngabodlozi sikhuluma ngani like what are we talking about when we're talking about our sisters
mina ngokuya ngami amadlozi like ngawuthi akhambelana nangesename ubona nenani imbongo lezi mhlambe ohlobene nazo as black people anhle ngathi black people sorry to say that as African people ngiyaqawuthi sonke sinamadlozi yabo
but
why only African people
a question
wait like I want to ask like only African people abanamadlozi ukuthi laba bahlala eAmerica and stuff
banawo even now white people they go to cemeteries and talk to those people.
So back to my question is like angakayitholi kahle answer ukuthi nasikhuluma ngamadlozi sikhuluma ngani
idlozi bro idlozi umuntu bekaphila emhlabeni walala wakhothama masisibeka ngesintu wakhothama and then okukhothameni kwakhe angithi sekalele lo muntu akasekho emhlabeni uNkulunkulu bekambolekile emhlabeni wathatha angithi likhona ivesi elithi uNkulunkulu uyaboleka uyathatha angithi manje umuntu sekakhotheme webhayi mhlambe that person nearer to uNkulunkulu nalabo abanye basefamily namarelative abashonile banearer to uNkulunkulu uyangithola that is why sikwazi ukuthi sikhulume nabo kwesinye isikhathi basivulela izinto kufana iji ufuna imoto uya esangomeni sithi ayimntana miyazi kumele uye entabeni ufike uphathe isnefu uphathe ikhendle elimhlophe uphathe nani ukhulume nabo bakuzwa kahle lapha entabeni bese kuya kwesikhathi phokona imoto yethenga
mina okay
ngiyangibamba ukuthi idlozi umuntu bekaphila
even a newborn baby who just passed away can be an ancestor.
How?
Because like that person like has next akakwazi
as long uke wavela emhlabeni waphila
so he can also protect you
because akasay spirit lapho
uzobathi angithi ngisisa ithi but hayi wena uphethe idlozi lika gogo wena uphethe idlozi lika mkhulu wena uphethe idlozi kama wena uphethe idlozi lomntwana uyabamba ukuthi njani
okay now I get it
amadlozi akhona bro ayasebenza and amadlozi kwesinye isikhathi mase sithatha sibheka kunokuthi umuntu ngenze ithi umuntu uhamba isonto mhlawumbe uhamba isonto akhona amadlozi angahambelani namadlozi angiwa discriminate nawo ngiyabaphakamisela pick up ngoba standards uNkulunkulu we-1 standards uBrother Jesus we-1 akekho umuntu
besahluke kanjani bafole
and then la masonto lawa angithi bona bathi bo president bathi there is no ancestors umuntu makashonile usunile akunakuthi umuntu makashonile ancestor idemon according to the demon is the way they believe
the way bakholelwa ngakhona
neBhayibheli into ngikhohlwa amavesi ukuthi athe neBhayibheli yaso ukuthi kuzoba namasonto ngokuhlukana nenkolo zakhona angeke zizoba different kufana nalana enyangeni angithi inyanga zifana nabaprofeti abafana uyabona and then namadlozi awezi ngokufana
njalo
What do you mean? Like
uthola ukuthi ngesitswana baro wena maybe yithara wabona ngesitswana uthola ukuthi bathi eish anaso sesiyana khomuse ukwana like ukuthakazela so sesiyana khomuse uyangithola and then wena uma uphahla lapha wenza yonke into akini leyo yenza umsebenzi wasekhaya umsebenzi isikoma
okay
uyangibamba kanjani thina ekhaya sebenzisa imbuzi ningabenze iphandla umswati futhi kade ke ngeswati mbamba ukuthi lokho siyenza senta umsebenzi wasekhaya sebentana sebenzisa imbuzi
yeah
goat so like amanye amasonto like bo 12 apostolic ngalezi bozikhuluma dawa amanye akhona amasonto ahambelana namadlozi
Sanjoin la
abasonjwana
oh Sanjoin
yeah kunamfundisi kunomprofita kunesangoma
mina like ish I don't know much about Sanjoin so like akhambelana namadlozi like how
njengoba uMax asasho so kunomfundisi kunesangoma kuneprofeti kunesanjoin ayinjengoba uMax njengoba ichaza amadlozi ahlukile then ukhona omunye ukuthi uphethe ivele idlozi lokuthi sathwasa beyisangoma then kose ukhona lo nodlozi ukuthi kuvele kose abe improfeti
kunomuntu lo uthwasiswa inyoka athathwa ahambe awele emanzini umfuni nenzene kuba umoshari nenze but kufike incwadi kumalume kumkhulu or ubani nje wefamily ifike kuye imtshele ukuthi lo muntu ungasamfuni uright lo ayibatshela ukuthi uright sizobuya kuwe angithi bakhethe wena ndiyafamily sizobuya kuwe sikutshele ngale langa leli kumele azoba right yazophuma emhlabeni wethu and then kunabantu yinyama but akathwasanga umuntu akayanga emanzini inyanga
yeah like amakeza yeah
ngiyabona ukuthi uyazi ngamagama akhona simple and then nazo le nyanga ziyadifara kunanyanga ezigcoka ibhubisi and then kunamandawo laba amandawo ziyadifara lezinto mara nabo ababukeli nabo njengoba bazakhomenta bazozicorrecta la simesa khona la ngoba sancedisana salifundisana and then ke madoda kuze le mina futhi khona le engingazwani nayo ngale ndaba yalamanye amasonto uthola ukuthi akudiscriminate iyo le engingazwani uthola umfundisi welinye isonto elithizini ngangikhiphe ngamagama ngoba manje kuyabona ngathi ngiyawa isonto elithizini uzathi there is no ancestors amadlozi amademoni
yeah vane ngizwe nje
but yena lethu uyahamba enyangeni
andasuthi nguyothwele
ene uye lo utshela nina ningayenyanga mara yena uyayenyanga
asatshela abazali wani uthi bazolana ningayilapho
no like what causes them like ukuthi ube mfundisi but uyenyangisi
ukuthwala bafuna amandla
for what
crowd and money
before say would
singayifithi crowd and money very straight
that's it. So like I want to know before say what's the difference between like amadlozi and uNkulunkulu? What's the difference?
uNkulunkulu is the creator of heaven and earth. uNkulunkulu created what maka create indoda ubona ukuthi indoda iyaphoreka wa create earth uyangithola and then amadlozi yibani like kumazethi sikunento ebizwa ukuthi kunalemabona akere ke bale ba re ba ubite ba etsa round e ka re ba dlala zwipor mataisi ka tsa batsa ngabeka kanjalo inyanga ilight isibani why isibani inyanga la phansi lahla amathambo lamathambo ayambonisa ukuthi lo muntu lo yini inkinga kwenzakalana or uyaphupha bayambonisa
futhi inyanga njenge-messenger so
njenge-messenger
yokulethela umessage
yokulethela umessage yakulayela but the may ikhaya
It's God. Under God, my ancestors.
Yeah.
And uNkulunkulu uyi-one. Akunabo uNkulunkulu uyi-one.
So labantu bane relationship like between God and
Ikhona relationship because if okay right asala ukuthi iBhayibheli libhalwe umuntu. But if you can read the Bible, there is whereby bayakhuluma ngamadlozi, there is where bakhuluma ngoNkulunkulu. Shukuthi mangathatha ubheka into esenzeka la emhlabeni izinto ezibhalwe lapha eBhayibhelini. Let's take for instance ubufebe. Bukhona eBhayibhelini. Isifebe saseBhayibhelini uDelilah. Isifebe esikhulu
Line.
They are family.
Yeah, life.
in what way like we are favor kanjani?
Bufebe bona lobo, bona
No matter whatever that you know.
lento siyenzayo la into beyenzeka before.
The
pain of Christ. Iyaqhubeka. Uyangithola.
Yeah.
Kunobugebengu. Bukhona ubugebengu lapha eBhayibhelini.
Babylon.
Alright, sithathe angibeki kahle. Ubalo wakho baro urumetse batho re balonka esele ya motho samkopa batho etsa sihlabe. Be ukuthi Jesu ro kuNkulunkulu.
No washo njalo.
Angithi itele ngolo mo le reng. Go ke Jesu. Ula a roma batho re balonka esele. Itsa batlale esele ele ba etsa sehlabelo ka yona. And if u ka latela that esele ha kena a lo ikopa ucela kumnikazi ukuthi gogo Sithuniwe umfowethu Jesus uthi sizoqala le esele uzayibuyisa makayitholile uyacela amazi uthume abantu bathathe bafika bathatha bayiletha kubani uJesu kanjani ozisihlabela isihlabelo yini angithi isihlabelo yikushisa ngithi yashiswa kanje angithi so akusukutshontsha lokho awucela into mangayicelanga kumnikazi uJesu
Yeah,
Bible.
ugebengu lo bukhona
Eboleka anana.
and then kuze bathi isihlahla esishayo singaphumi amangalangabi isiphi leso sihlahla esishayo singaphumi amala ngoba ipentisi yasilayita siphuma amala ipentisi iphuma uya isiphi leso sihlahla singaphumi amalanga siyasha mara siphuma amalanga isam
Siyasha.
ngibhema kanjani isam ugakuthi ngiyabhemela ama-flames ungabhemela ama-flames
Bese khomisa ngokudloza.
phela mabhemela ama-flames uyakubamba amadelu
Yeah.
barule mosherula micathathu nalo eyo yahalalela
But what I know Bible little like you can have two gods. You have to worship one. But if you say you believe in both sisters and God, that means you have two gods.
u-ancestor kusunkulunkulu
We don't praise our ancestors kahle kahle. Sikhuluma nama ancestors ukuthi asideliver message
umessage
Yeah.
that's why bafwa bekothi inyanga ama-ancestors ama-messengers
No messengers, right?
mina ngathi uNkulunkulu is the creator
The creator of everything, of others.
everything makafuna ukukuthatha manje sikhuluma nawo phambane namafu sithi
Manje.
amen haleluya sothenga amasuthu swedle lunch shy after tears
Uyakuthatha ebuthongo manje kanti gone.
Gone, ne?
uyacreator leyo angithi uyicreatile
Jamu tingathi uphethe tonga kanjani?
Sho ngenze example ukuthi mhlawumbe uGod naka decide just like that.
alright uhleli njengoba uhleli kanje thina sigcine sikhuluma nawe uhleli kanje kanti asoqinile la
Don't say us like
ulala uvula amehlo uhleli kanjani uthe uyathi sohambile creator
the creator.
that's why bathi he created heaven and earth
That's okay, mina ngine question like who are our ancestors according to the Bible like? Ubana ama ancestors wethu ngokuye
uyende now uyende yima ngithi
Uyende.
sibongo sasekhaya ngithi ama-ancestors wami bakwayende sibongo sakwakho kwabani
Amaseko.
umaseko
Ncamane.
ama-ancestors wakho abantu bakwamaseko baphila eqaleni bakwamaseko yiwo amadlozi wakho angeke uthi amadlozi wakho akwayena wena owakwamasebe
Yeah, it's impossible. That's impossible.
Manje ngaba maswati no, but it's not possible.
Yeah.
It's not possible.
Should get what like uzalwe kuyiphi family?
sihamba ngibonga
Ngiyibonga ne.
uze bathi kunamadlozi abugathini boboya benyathi abondlovu amadlozi akanje angeke uthi umZulu ngowakwasithole ngifike ngiphathela amadlozi akamkwena ora akamfukeni achayisana ithathe futhi uthathe lana sithatha la umama ngithi angithi wena mntwana wakabo mama and then umama uyashada ubani ubaba ngithi shap ubani ocreateayo la ukuthi kube nengane ukuthi umfazi abe pregnant. Who's the creator?
Indoda.
Uyangithola? Ucreate abani umntwana. Who's the carrier?
It's a mother.
So manje masesithatha in a family ne. Ngenzi ijipe in a family. uNkulunkulu ubani?
The father.
Ubaba. And then the messenger
Good example. Sengiyawuzwa. Bad.
uyabamba ukuthi njani?
Yeah, no, there's a lot going on.
Ini ngathomela amanzi kanje ngathanda bakwethu.
Skipane.
Kulmane madoda abantu bamameleni.
Like another thing never fail to like njengoba siphethe le topic namhlanje understand between church and ancestors ne. So if you believe kuma ancestors, believe kuma ancestors. If you believe esontweni, believe esontweni, you understand. It's all about your belief. Yeah, so there's no need to basho like we are discriminate to go to you got this ancestors this. No, believe, focus on your
business. But nayo bafo kunenye into wena bafo ngokhathe kancane enye engihluphayo ngabantu abasonta letathi ukuthi sime kancane ngamadlozi.
Okay.
Abantu abasontayo manje. Umwesele uzakanzi. Umwesele. Baye esontweni sonto.
Hamba nobhodlozi.
Hamba nobhodlozi umwesele. Umzele uzakanzi. Umzayweni uqhamukana. Labantu ababulisana. Why? Mari magqoke ama-uniform baye esontweni bayathandaza uNkulunkulu oyi-one.
Most of the time, even nama pastors, angangidlula endlini yangadloshisa umuntu, but he's a pastor at the end of the day. He or she.
Mina ngazothi ngendlela engibona ngakhona like emasondweni kunomthetho wakhona, understand. So mhlawumbe angazi angisisho nami ngikhuluma ngisisho maybe like umthetho wemasondweni nawo ukuthi no, just because of law asondweni asonda khona you don't have to create.
I don't believe umthetho njalo. I don't believe umthetho kwinkandoshiso.
Guys,
likhona elinye ivesi.
Also like this other thing.
Likhona elinye ivesi lapho uJesu wakho bathi loshisanani. So I don't believe ukuthi khona umthetho njalo ukuthi singaloshisani.
I will believe me.
I don't believe.
Nam like njengoba bengisasho like something ebengisho bengasisho ngayo. So now bazus assist abafowethu from emakhaya, understand ukuthi like maybe phendule this question kahle but njengoba asho naye
ngoba manje iba difficult. That's why ngisho nina emakhaya ngithi i-second opposite iyeza ngoba uma iza so bese si-invitile ke
so like this
nyanga nomfundisi
because ukufakazela umazo ngiyasuka manje ngigqoka ibheji yemZ yena asonto kulenye isonto angeke ngikhulumisi because ngigqoka ibheji yemZ mara siyothandaza uNkulunkulu eyi-one
marida akwazi ukubonisana
kahle nje.
Here's why it's simple like when it comes to abantu abaphuza utshwala because of ngibona ngathi babelieve entweni eyi-one ngiphethe utshwala
bathandazane labantu hey bo yiwesele engilawatwathi izayoni ama-12 apostole ilabo boBron Sister makuyiwe esontweni ngosonto kuthandazwa bani manje wani ngabulisana ningathandani futhi icala from icala kunesonto eliyi-one kunesonto futhi icala inhliziyo yomuntu
abantu basonda kubahlulwa yini ukuba nehliziyo zabantu abadakwako ngingadakwa la eHlamboko ngingadakwa nasenumber 2 mara still siloshisana masihlangane yawento liyikhamba njalo kahle kahle
kahle kahle
into lekose khabe iphume from deep down ehlizweni ayikho into leyo ukuthi basho kunomthetho esondweni mhlawumbe siloshisana
ayikho. So yasmin, I feel like more sonda too much, like it holds you back from your success because ungafika umuntu nje athi une connection athi une connection msebenzi angeke uthathe le opportunity leyo ngoba ukuthi ipipe lithi hayi angizenzi izinto ezimendlini. Sometimes abone ishezenze izinto yini
mina like okay, I wanted to ask this question, but ngiyobonakala ngathi ngiyagenst abantu abasondayo, but ngingayibuza.
Feel free.
Okay, but sorry bavukeli ne like but ngifuna uyibuza like this question. I really need that. Like ngithini, why like abantu abafundisi most of the time ne abasonda abavela abakhonza uNkulunkulu ne bangabi successful that much, maybe like baphile life expensive, like kube umuntu ongasoli nje, just umuntu maybe drop out even nasesikolweni, just nje umuntu simple but uphila that la high.
To what I said, it's because of like abantu ba like umuntu osonda too much uphila ngama-rules. You shouldn't do this, you shouldn't do that, and that thing, it's somehow like it holds up.
If I'm an actor, I'm the actor now, the artist, I'm always celebrate, I like to celebrate. Goodness in tongue, I'm allowed to say.
Yes, in
front of
public figure.
Because Banata Tabakwaga much of that is like change. So much of Kubagala Pumping Matota, now question the Lena Mina, and is it a sin to believe in ancestors? The Kala now believe in matters.
From my side, it's not a sin.
Even from my side too, like it's not a sin, because I have a reason for it. I have a reason for it. Like I see Kala like Uglokai, I see Sono. I mean Ukolelwa Matlozini, because of like it depends what you know. Family name Kolelwa. I understand. So now what we know like go easy for me. That's why I get him in a form in a certain it's not a sin. If my ancestors like Act 7 you can believe people if now
I mean I'm gonna do it.
I shy
I'm now going to Snatisali now, Baba Bugeli Makaya, and Abazili. I straight.
So my last question is, can you serve both? Can you serve both?
Yeah, we can serve both. Like I said before, I mean, Sitale Guzo Inyang. Conning Yang it before. It's a good. It turned as if we look at it. Over small turned as it turned as I need to say, Okala Amanda, you would not say that's all here. That's why I'm paying for it to meet.
So you can save both.
Yeah, you can save both. Even Nabantu Tina and ordinary people. And then we realize that we believe. Umuntu bakona ababelieve ukuthi I pray only God.
But it can only imagine yes, because why do you have to use the name is Wongo? But you don't believe my ancestors.
My ancestors.
Fanana would like this. Umuntu atena he won't go to the mountains because of like seeing the sea. At the end, to the mountains like Sekana, I am to the mountains.
I'm not fan of Mufuba. At the end of the day, you'll go there, and the man was a Copega, and the bus of Straffa. Strong. It's on this into a no Mabuti, Pusha, you were not to do as a leave about Puchong and the Master Panti Bulala at the end of the day. And with Maba in Yan is it. Gambelana. God is the creator, is the messenger, much
strong.
Never batali makaya says feeding the guyo the salento sale topic matali so nasika pheli kangako batali so nasazo qhubeka ngaso kwamanje sayahlanganisa angithi nemoto masicala phansi siyakasihlanganisa amakristile ama-gearbox kwamanje sayofuna i-gearbox enyanga sayofuna istarter sabafundisi
days.
Yabona sibe nabo basicele nabo ngoba bona vele yizo lezinto angithi thina we are an ordinary people bona bayayenza leyo bayazi kangcono kunathi so bafowethu to the next episode sisazophinda sikhulume ngayo yona lena ye Church vs Ancestors bafowethu oskido bangani wabayende nabafowethu naba basalise nabo.
It's a boy PUWA aka Uwa.
Njengoba ningazi bafethu as you all know me detail isifiso kuhle Mr. Bawe njengoba fasekashila athi sizobuya ngenye episode because kusashubile la. We have a lot to discuss in the episode. Zabe siphethe pastor siphethe nomuntu ophile vela kulabantu babaphansi, understand? So understand the both sides okwenzakala and not discrimination, understand? It's your boy Chita Utheni.
Nongo Sugar Snacks kwahlale lapha emakhaya. So sisazoqhubeka siyabuya ngale topic. We still have a lot of questions to ask inyanga or isangoma nomfundisi. Siyabuya nani ngaphawula lapha kuma comments sizokuthi nithini. Yonke i-comment asivalele ngaphandle. Your opinion nayo sithatha serious ehloko. Danko.
And also don't forget to subscribe, like, understand, share our video, just support us, be with us, understand. We're gonna drop more videos.
Alright, bafowethu lawa namanamba la ndifuna ukuxhumanisa khona. Alright, nisibambe emoyeni ngale lihlala la nedilini madoda isiyalo. Amanamba khona athi 0673900999 0673900999 amanye amafoni number athi 0799775468 0799775468 isicela ukuthi nisifonele sike sinizwe nani bafowethu ukuthi nithini uma ngabe ukhona umfundisi sicela ukuthi afone uma ngabe ukhona ikhona inyanga ke ifone sanvulela mangabe kufuna ukuba khona fonani madoda fonani ngiplisini smith half away nisifonele sicela hayi woza la kwami mntana mina ngiyazi so sikwazi ukuthi sithathe yonke into yakho sizoba nawe la kulehlo ngithi tuwede sibona na kwenye episode
get us on another episode.